welcomes the LPG Insurance Agency out of Morrisville, North Carolina, Raleigh-Durham area, better known as the Triangle. And we are here today to tell you about a wonderful opportunity. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and talk to you about it. We're excited about what we do here at LPG Insurance Agency. We are a consolidated planning agency. Consolidated Planning is our parent agency out of Columbia, South Carolina. Dr. Lewis Burns is the head of our agency. And we're going to talk today about Senior Life Insurance Company, because Senior Life Insurance Company is taking over with 100% to 50% first year commissions, leads to call you, instant decision making at the point of sale, stock ownership, and much, much more. So this is we call it the big takeover, and we're excited about it. And we wanted to share this opportunity with you today and invite you to partner with us in business.
I want someone that's sick and tired of being sick and tired. If you follow this, you're going to be great. We just try to tell people that you can do this. I will help you. I will give you all I got. Okay? All I need you to do is listen to me. I have a saying, if you listen to me, I'll make you rich. I really mean it within my heart, because I have seen this business just transform other people that you wouldn't think they would be getting this business. And so we're just looking to help more people. In our system, you can take an agent, and we can teach an agent how to make $1,000 to $2,000 every week. We have the lead system. We have everything in place. We have health insurance benefits. We have retirement benefits. We have a full package. And so I have a place that no matter whether it's 50 years down the road or 100 years down the road, that my great-great-grandchildren have a place to go to work. If people are looking at this thing, I want to make sure they understand that this is a large, very, very large opportunity. You have the opportunity to change your family's life, not just your family, not just current family, but your children's children's children. If you will just take this as serious as you possibly can. And what we want to do is we just want to help more people, whether, like I said earlier, whether it's benefits or helping them make money. We're just very serious money.
That's Dr. Lewis Burns, ladies and gentlemen. He's the head of Consolidated Planning, which is one of the largest agencies, particularly geared towards filing expense in the United States of America, actually the largest minority-owned agency in America with over 1,900 agents nationwide. And we're proud and happy to be a part of that agency here at the LPG Insurance Group. And I want to welcome you to this briefing here on July 15th, Thursday morning at 10 a.m. as we share this opportunity for Senior Life Insurance Company with you, which is our flagship company within our group. And so we're going to talk about three things today. First of all, who we are. Secondly, what we do and how we do it. And within that, I'm going to talk to you about our system, our compensation, and what our expectations are in terms of for you and what you can expect from us as leaders and managers and trainers here at Senior Life Insurance Company. And lastly, what I'm going to do is just invite you to partner with us. And it's really quite that simple. So I'm just going to take a few minutes of your time this morning and talk to you about the wonderful opportunity that's available here with us through Senior Life Insurance Company, which is our flagship company at LPG Insurance Agency.
Many think insurance is a complicated industry. Let's break it down and you decide how complicated it is from 50,000 feet. What is Senior Life Insurance Company? Senior Life is helping people. We provide financial support and peace of mind to families when a loved one passes away. Our final expense policies are intended to help pay for end-of-life financial arrangements so families are not left with unwanted burdens. The best part is we are assisting families that have requested our help. Our customers contact us, and we transfer those customers to you to make the sale and be the hero of the story. You don't ever have to cold call anyone or harass your family or neighbors. Senior Life is freedom and flexibility. You are your own boss. Set your own schedule, set your own pace. Take a vacation when you want to, or go to the doctor when you need to. You are in complete control over your career. You can make what you want, when you want, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Senior Life is opportunity. A career with us can change your life. By being your own boss, you have the ability to change the lives of others. Duplicate what you have learned and introduce everyone to this opportunity. Senior Life Insurance Company has turned a complicated subject into something easy to understand. Take the first steps in changing your life and contact us today. Senior Life a way of life.
This truly is a monumental shift in our industry. This is bigger than big. In fact, the opportunity is really out of this world. Because at Senior Life, we want you to shoot for the moon. And you can do just that with 150% first-year commission.
So your question is, who are we? Who is Senior Life Insurance Company? First and foremost, we're simply agents just like you. That's right. Senior Life Insurance Company is actually led by actual agents. We were founded by Ron and Del Powell, which are our father and son team, who took their proceeds that they had accumulated from being debit agents and actually went out and bought an insurance company and rebranded it to Senior Life Insurance Company. And altogether, this particular insurance company has been in business now for over 53 years. These are not lawyers or actuaries or accountants or financial gurus or anyone else who's actually never sold an insurance policy, but actually agents are the most important individuals here. And without agents, we wouldn't even exist. That even all of our home office leaders at our home office in Thomasville, Georgia, are licensed agents, as well as most of our staff. So when you call, you'll actually be talking to people who not only know the business, but they realize who you are as an agent because they're agents also. What we do is really simple. We produce, we recruit, and we repeat. We sell affordable life insurance policies to families all across America. And then we invite people like yourself to partner with us in business. And then we repeat that process. And then what happens is you learn how great it feels to provide families with peace of mind. It comes to final expense coverage combined with our sales system, Legacy Insurance. We actually provide you with all the tools that you'll need to become successful and to help the people that you encounter that are in need. And what you will end up with then is a career that is filled with meaningful service and an incredible income opportunity. With all of this, just one phone call away, and an opportunity to sign up and become one of our agents. So you say, well, how do we do it? You say it's really simple: produce, recruit, repeat. Well, we have something we call take, make, make. And our system is really simple, ladies and gentlemen. All we do is we advertise to thousands of people across America every day, via mail outs, via television commercials, via the internet, including social media, yellowpages.com. These people would respond directly back to us at Senior Life Insurance Company. And we take those leads and we distribute it out to our valued agents. And then you simply take those leads, go out and make a presentation and make sales. That's it. Take, make, make. And what, like I said earlier, then what you end up with is a rewarding career. And it's rewarding to know that you can make a difference in other people's lives while making a difference in the life of you and your family along the way. We have leads that are available. I said at the beginning, we have leads that call you, and this is awesome. These leads are available to our agents two ways. We have a leads inventory system where you can say, hey, I want 20, 30 leads a week or whatever, and then those will be in your back office. But we also have a revolutionary, state-of-the-art Leads the Way application. What's the Leads the Way app? It's really simple. It actually is on your phone, whether you're iOS or Android, it does not matter. It attaches to your GPS system, and the leads are made simple. Your life is made simple. Customers respond to our advertisements. They pop up on your phone. You have the opportunity to buy those leads right away on a credit card or whatever. You choose telesales or you choose field sales or both. And it's really simple, ladies and gentlemen. You can literally be driving down the street. Someone in the house less than a mile away might respond to a television ad, live transfer, and you say, hey, this is Mr. Watkins. I understand that you want to talk to an agent. Matter of fact, I'm in your driveway. I just happen to be in your neighborhood. So let me come on in and take a few minutes and share with you the information that you requested. It's just that simple.
With the Leads the Way app, you can access leads straight from your phone or smart device. Once you're set up, just select the leads you want to receive, purchase them, and those customers will receive an email that you're on your way to assisting them. You can receive live transfer leads where clients call in straight from our advertisements and are connected directly to you. These leads will be available Mondays through Fridays. You can receive these leads by going to the account settings, hit agent info, and select to receive telesales or both. Leads the Way is a quick and effective tool to the success of your final expense business.
Ladies and gentlemen, he said something awesome. This is your business, your final expense business. You're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself, because we give you all the tools and resources you need to be successful, like the Leads the Way app, and also the Slice app, which stands for Senior Life Insurance Company Enrollment Application. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, there's no paper apps, there's no emails to be sent. We simply have an application that is available on either your cell phone or an iPad, or also available on a desktop application through the cloud. So you will need an iOS device to run this app, or if you have a desktop, you can run it off of your laptop or your desktop application, because it's a cloud-based application. And this is what you do. All your applications are mistake-proof with our app here. And it's really simple. In less than 15 minutes, I've done it in 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. You can do this. You can literally have the client in front of you. You can present and qualify that client, pick the proper product, verify the accuracy of the information that they share with you, the client shares with you, including their prescription records and their financial information. That means, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be able to verify all the prescriptions to make sure they're on the right plan, as well as to make sure that their bank account is alive and has funds in it for the premium to be paid out of it, and that those funds are good for the next 48 hours. So you're verifying accuracy, and then all they have to do is, if you have your iPad or your iPhone with you, they take their finger, as you can see in the middle of the screen, and they sign their signature on it. Or if you're over the phone, or if you're using a laptop, you simply record their answers to the questions, and that serves as their signature. And then you're able to submit and get that business approved and paid all within the same day. This takes place in about 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. In other words, you are in control of your business. This is awesome. So we got Leads the Way, we've got Slice. But let's talk about our products. Senior Life Insurance Company offers a complete final expense product portfolio. Everything from guaranteed issue to one of the lowest cost plans in the final expense market, that being our preferred products, okay? And Senior Life, this is what we say here. We want you to be in a position, if there's a sale to be made, you can make it with Senior Life. That's why our products are available for anyone from age 0 all the way to 85. We offer permanent whole life coverage protection up to $30,000 with no health exam. All your client has to do is answer a few health questions, including their prescriptions, and they're on their way. We have whole life immediate benefit plans available. We even have whole life limited benefit plans available for those who might have some health issues and might have been turned down by other companies. We can literally insure anybody, like we said, all the way up to guaranteed issue, as well as we do have term product immediate benefit products available, including our 20-year term and our signature 20-year return of premium. We have the 20-year return of premium, and we have a 20-pay standard, which means literally on the whole life side, a person can pay on a product for 20 years and be done paying. These are simple, affordable plans that are available for anybody from age 0 to 85, with coverage amounts available up to $30,000 with no health exam. Nobody's going to walk in and swab your customer in the mouth or take their blood pressure or take blood. It's just real simple. It's quick, it's easy, and we put them in benefits right away. So we talked about Leads the Way. We talked about our Slice app. We talked about our products. But earlier I mentioned Legacy Assurance, which is our sales system. This is the deal breaker, ladies and gentlemen, that sets Senior Life Insurance Company apart from every other final expense company and every other life insurance company out there. Legacy Assurance is a membership company that is designed to help families at the worst time of their lives, and that's when they lose a loved one. What does it do? Legacy Assurance has an exclusive partnership with Senior Life Insurance Company. There's no other insurance company that has Legacy Assurance, and Legacy Assurance is not associated with any other company except for Senior Life. And what they do is they provide a wish team representative that steps in and deals directly with the funeral home when the person has died to make sure that the family gets exactly what they want and is not taken care of. Not taken advantage of by the funeral director. How do they do this? It's real simple. They're going to call the funeral home of the family's choice along with 2 others, and they're going to price shop and compare and do all negotiation for the family. So that way, all the family has to do is go sign a few papers, and that's it. And they handle everything from the death claim all the way on out. But that's not the end of it. They're also a funeral merchandise company, which means that the family has the opportunity and option of using the funeral merchandise that Legacy Assurance provides, including 18 gauge industry standard steel caskets at only $1,500. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. These prices are actually locked in for life. A customer can literally get their casket, their vault, and their headstone, and only spend about $3,700 tops, and have all the funeral merchandise. The stone will be shipped to the graveyard. The casket is shipped to the funeral home. The vault shipped to the graveyard. A lot of people are being cremated nowadays. Genuine brass urns only $99, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, they have the option to use all of these services simply because they get Legacy Assurance, simply because they are a customer of Senior Life Insurance Company. So it's awesome. Now, this membership is only $4 a month, but watch this, ladies and gentlemen. When you quote your customers the premium amount, the Legacy Assurance amount is already included in there. Now, earlier, if I didn't mention, I'll mention it now. Our rates are some of the most competitive rates in the final expense industry. And most of the time, they're less on our preferred products than any other final expense company out there, even with Legacy Assurance, the $4 membership included. This is a phenomenal opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, for you to have greater persistency, which means your accounts will stay on the books, to increase your sales because it adds value to the product. No other life insurance company has this available to you. And it not only covers the primary insured, but for other people in the household as well. So literally a person could buy a policy and, for them and their entire family, only paying the $4 one time, but Legacy Assurance is going to take care and make sure the entire family is covered. So you've got Legacy Assurance, you've got Leads the Way, you got the Slice app, you've got an awesome portfolio. You've got everything in your hands so that when you walk into a client's home, that you're ready to serve them, no matter from the child that might have just been born all the way up until the grandparents that are in their 80s. So then your next question is, okay, well, how do I get paid? A lot of insurance companies are recruiting me, or I've heard people say, come sell with us, come work with us, come partner with us. I want to emphasize a couple of things here, ladies and gentlemen. Number one, there's 5 income streams here, okay? 5 income streams. Number two, I want to also emphasize that with Senior Life, you're a non-captive agent. So, and this is not FMO or IMO, you will literally be contracted directly with the carrier of CNA. So it's a direct contract, independent contractor, non-captive, and no third parties to go through. You will have an upline, but then you're going to get paid 5 different ways. You're going to get your first year commissions, which are standard in the insurance industry, which is you got your first year commission and you get 60% of that up front. And then the rest of it that they owe you for months 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 comes to you as pay through. Okay, so like I say, you get 60% advance schedule with back end charge offs, which means which means if an account decides not to be on the books anymore, not to pay, you won't get chargebacks against your advances. It'll come to your pay through. So you'll always get a paycheck as long as you're writing business. So you got first year commissions, you got pay through. As soon as the account stays on the books for 13 months, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? You get renewals for the life of the contract. Then number 4, as soon as you start recruiting and building your agency, and that's strictly up to you, you start getting an override commission every day based on your agents writing new business as well. Overrides are first year compensation off the new business that your agents write. And ladies and gentlemen, we are in 40 states across America, plus the District of Columbia. And yes, that does include Alaska and Hawaii. So you could literally have business going on in all 40 of these states, plus the District of Columbia. And then, ladies and gentlemen, you're vested day one, which means you can participate or you can buy stock or you can become a part of our stock ownership program day one. That's the number one thing it means, but it also means that your business is your business. So it doesn't matter if you work with us 7 days, 7 years, or 70 years. You will get your commissions off all the business you write. Even if you die, that business will go to your beneficiary. Why? Because you're vested day one. Some companies, it takes 2 or 3 years to be vested, which means if you quit or leave the company or die before your first couple of years, then your commissions roll up to someone else in the company. But every account that you write is yours because you're vested day one, and you can get stock in the company starting day one. So those are our 5 income streams. Now, this is what really blows it out of the water, ladies and gentlemen. At the beginning, you saw a brief video about 150%, and you saw me on the very first screen say the takeover, 150% first year commission. This is how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, every new agent starts as an agency owner and on a 90% new agent commission contract on our preferred products. So that means you come in the door on a 90% contract as an agency owner right away. And then you could go up the scale based on your production. And it's not just personal production, it's your agency production. So let's say you start out by yourself and you're writing 10,000 a month, you're going to automatically go up to 100% contract. But then you start recruiting some other agents and hiring people and building your agency and your team. And then all of a sudden, your team's writing about $175,000 a month in business because now you got 5 or 10 agents on your team. Guess what? Automatically, as your production reports come in, it's going to move you up to the 125%. You're going to get automatic promotions, and those are just going to show in your paycheck. You don't have to worry about whether your upline likes you or if it gets approved by the company. This has already been pre-approved because it's attached to your production. So you always know what's out there. You always know what's next, all the way up to the senior partner level where you can get a This is my friend Helen. She's one of my agent partners, and I want her to talk to you a little bit about what she calls the people business.
I've always loved working with people. So this business gives me the opportunity to coach and mentor and empower agents, teach them to do the same thing that I'm doing so that they can change what's going on in their lives. And so if I can do it, then I want to teach someone else who can teach someone else. You know, that old saying, give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. Teach him how to fish and he'll eat for a lifetime. But what to me is exciting is when one agent hires another and then teaches them and then uses the system and then so on and so on. And that's the beauty of this, is that a person can come in, learn the business. We're in a simple business, but it's not easy. We're in the people business. And we're talking about something that's very delicate that most people don't want to talk about. I can help enough people to achieve their dreams by any means necessary through all the tools that we have and the fun that we have in this business, then that's what I want to do.
Wow. Thank you, Helen, for sharing that with us on today. Success means you keep going when everyone else is done for the day. This is Doug Blake. That's him grinding at his computer. It's another one of our agent partners here at Senior Life Insurance Company. And we don't run from work. If you're willing to do what no one else will do, then you can get the results that no one else will get. Success is is built on hard work, dedication, and being willing to go the extra mile every day. Make sure you're pushing yourself this week. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bottom line. If you come and partner with us and you work hard, you will be rewarded for it. And all you got to do is keep going. Other people may quit, other people may stop, but if you grind it out, it's going to be there for you. Challenge yourself to be the hardest working person in the room. Don't settle for less, because success means you keep going when everyone else is done for the day. That's the takeover. That's the Senior Life way. Senior Life all your life. Now, here's what we require, ladies and gentlemen. It's really simple. It's just a life insurance license. If you don't have a life insurance license, that's okay, because we have a program designed for you. And if you're willing to get a license, we can get you in a pre-licensing course for $39.95. People call me all day, every day, and they've already enrolled in other programs, and they're paying anywhere from $80 to $100 to $200 to get in the class. I'm like, well, gee, I wish you'd call me first, because we can get you through our program for only $39.95. And guess what? It's with Excel Testing Solutions, which is the foremost #1 pre-licensing online course that you can get into. And personally, everyone that I know that has actually taken this course, they passed the test the first time. And then you would need a standard iPad. And I need to change this because iPads have updated. I think 12.0 is what they're going to be supporting after September now. But listen, that means it doesn't have to be a brand new iPad, so you don't have to worry about being on iOS 14 or 16 or some of the new stuff. But it can be an older used iPad as long as it does 12.0 or higher, or any desktop application, whether it's PC or iOS, it doesn't matter, because you can do telesales via our website, cloud-based system. And you can actually do live sales with that too. I've had agents all the time, and that'll take their laptop into a customer's home, and when they're ready to sign, they just simply record their answers right there. And so if you have those two things, of course, we're looking for people with positive attitude, burning desire to succeed. You must be a team player, ladies and gentlemen, because you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. We are a team. We're looking for people that are coachable. And we want you to be willing to commit to the LEAD program, particularly if you're a full-time agent, because when you follow our system, that's what makes everything click together. Yeah, you can sign on with us and try to do it your way, but really, we're looking for people that are willing to not only sign up with us, but are willing to follow our system. Why? Because we want you to be successful. We're going to pour into you. We're providing you with awesome products and resources, and we're teaching you the process. We're coaching you into being a champion. So in order for us to do that, then we want you to bring something to the table also. So we're looking for people that are serious about being successful, and serious, most importantly, about helping others on the worst day of their life, being in the position in Life Preparation Group, LPG, that's what LPG Insurance Agency stands for, because the motto of our group is we're preparing people to live, not people to die. So we need people that are serious about helping other people. And what's going to happen is if you're serious about helping other people, we're going to give you these expectations because you're going to follow the system.
Oh, wow. So yeah, my life has changed a lot. Oh, wow. Got into selling life insurance. It was one of the most things that I did not want to do. But I looked at this opportunity a couple times. First couple times I said, nope, this is not for me, not something I would ever do. However, I did not want to go back to a 9-to-5. And once I looked at it a couple times, which I said it took me a while, it made sense to me. It all made sense. It made good business sense to me. And I really didn't have a choice but to get started. And it was the best career decision I've ever made. Freedom and flexibility, I would say, are the biggest things of how my life has changed. Just having the ability to be in total control, of your future, of your finances, and having that freedom that you need. The future looks very bright to me. I'm excited about my future. I do have a lot of goals that I still haven't accomplished. I'm excited about that. I'm looking forward to it, and I can't wait.
That's Rockland Cook, ladies and gentlemen. She's the queen of final expense. Just became a millionaire jacket earner as well as a millionaire ring earner with Senior Life Insurance Company. I mean, she's got a gold jacket now. I got to get that picture and put it in my presentation. A lot of our agents just came back from a week-long all-expense paid trip to Cancun, Mexico, and she was a part of that trip, and that's where she was awarded a gold jacket, which means she's a $1 million income earner with Senior Life Company. So the rewards are out there, including trips, incentives, Rolexes, promotions. If you do the work, we're going to pay you. Okay. Now it's real simple. How do you get contracted with us? You follow these simple steps to become an independent agent with our company. Like I said, you're our independent, non-captive agent contracted directly with Senior Life. Get with the person that invited you to watch this video or invited you on this particular Zoom call or whatever method that you're here watching this or attending with me today. And they'll give you a 6-digit code. And you're going to take that code and go to srlicensing.com to register using that code. You'll follow the steps to complete all paperwork and processing, including the $65 contracting fee or the setup fee. What that actually covers is your background check, access to all of your back office support, and lifetime access to all the resources. There's not going to be any other charges, webinar charges, monthly website charges, anything. It's just a one-time fee that gets you into our system. And then you're going to get a confirmation email from our licensing department with your writing number, as well as instructions on the next step. This whole process normally takes 24 to 48 hours. Myself, I was up and running to write business the same day. I literally got my number one day and went out, wrote two contracts the very next day. And once this whole process done and you're approved, it's time to make it happen. So listen, if you have any more questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Delbert Watkins. I'm the agency owner of LPG Insurance Agency. We're part of Consolidated Planning out of Columbia, South Carolina. My phone number is 919-593-5886. That's 919-593-5886. 919-593-5886. One call, that's all. I stole that from somebody. That's okay. You can also email me, delbertwatkins@gmail.com. So please call me or email me. I look forward to hearing from you. Also, we have a number of briefings. As a matter of fact, we're going to be in Houston, Texas, coming up on this coming Saturday, the 17th at 10 a.m. We're going to be doing a live meeting, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, a live briefing for a senior life insurance company in Houston, Texas. Amen. Excuse me. So we want you to be a part of that. And all that information about our live meetings, about our career briefings is on mycareerbriefing.com. You can go there. We have Zoom meetings that are going on. We got another one coming up in just a couple of hours at 1 o'clock. My good friend, Roderick Muhammad. You can tune in there. You can go to my YouTube channel, watch the archives of these briefings through a live preparation group. You can type that into the chat, or if you go to mycareerbriefing.com, all the things to click on are right there, including all the information on upcoming briefings that you can register for, live briefings, in-person briefings, meetings, whatever. That's our hub for information to find out about this opportunity. And there's a great video there with Lewis on it, and he's talking about being a 7-figure income earner. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes my presentation for today. I want to thank you for spending your time with me and for listening and watching. And like I said, we invite you to partner with us and to learn more about us. If you're watching us on Facebook or YouTube, please feel free to DM us, which means direct message, or inbox us, or simply leave your name and your phone number in the comments or whatever. Any question you might have, we do respond to all those, and we'll get back with you right away and let you learn as much about this opportunity as you want to learn. I invite you to go to mycareerbriefing.com. One more time, mycareerbriefing.com. So you can be live. You can literally ask questions in the chat with us, and we'll spend time with you. We have an after show in our Zoom room, so we actually answer questions. Matter of fact, if you're watching this on live, you can actually go to mycareerbriefing.com and join on into the Zoom right now. And when we go off live, we're there, myself, and oftentimes there's other managers there also, just to simply answer questions. And, so you can pick our brain some more. So thank you for spending the time with us on today. And we hope to be in business with you. We look forward to spending time with you, helping families and helping our own families having financial success that you desire and that you deserve. All right. Have a great day.